Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, fuses, relays are located on that Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll share very helpful information, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, we'll share information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the AC clutch, the AC compressor clutch, let's explain where you can find these fuses. We'll be working, by the way, in 3 fuse boxes. One of them is extremely hidden and hard to get to. We'll explain about it, but quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class do not know about all their fuse boxes. You have up to 6-7 different fuse boxes. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel to help you out. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we guys need to do now, first we need to come to the driver's side, open the driver door. On the side of the dash here, go ahead and pop that cover open. Behind it you're going to find the main driver's side fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, what we need to check here, specifically 2 fuses, then we need to go to different fuse boxes and check for more. All these are responsible for the AC compressor, AC clutch, so check all of them because guys, it could be any of those. Now, starting on this side, that's fuse 200, and you keep going down, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuse 207 needs to be checked, and fuse 209. Right here. Then guys, we need to open the passenger door. Come to the passenger side. You see that's the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the right side, on that A pillar, on the plastic trim you have a cover. Open it. Underneath you have the passenger fuse box with layout like this one here. Here you may need to check that fuse 311. If you don't have it, it's fine, depending on which system you have in the car and what year. You may or may not have that one. Then you see that fuse MF2. That fuse guys consists of 6 individual fuses. One of those is for the AC system as well. So go ahead, remove, inspect and test each one of those. And MF3 as well. You have another fuse right here. So these 2 fuses will need to be checked guys. Next, what we need to do guys, behind the glove box, if you physically remove the glove box towards the left side in the dash, Okay, you're going to have a pre-fuse box with multiple cables coming in and out, like this one here. And if you open that pre-fuse box, check this thing out. Surprise! Here you're going to have a hidden fuse that you need to check. And we're talking specifically about fuse number 3. You see that fuse, that 40 amp fuse? That's the one that you will, guys, need to check as well. You don't have any relays. The relay function practically is controlled by the engine computer, or most likely by the front or rear SAM module. So if you still have problems with it, I'll recommend to check fuses and relays for the front SAM module and the rear SAM module, SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.